Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir thicker. Start by straining kefir through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, pressing gently to remove whey and concentrate texture. Use fresh whole milk and strong grains to increase body and maintain a steady 20-25 degrees C room temperature for even fermentation. Avoid shaking or overstirring while it cultures, and taste as you go and adjust fermentation time to reach your preferred thickness. Boost thickness by choosing robust grains and richer milk. Refresh grains in fresh whole milk for a feed cycle before a major batch to revive activity. If you want extra body, try blending a small amount of Greek yogurt or cream into strained kefir after fermentation. Keep fermentation times consistent and avoid extreme temperatures that stress cultures, because stable conditions translate directly to use a fine strainer or cheesecloth and let kefir drip for 2-6 hours until it reaches your ideal consistency. For faster results, gently press the curds with a spoon or weight, but avoid aggressive squeezing which can compact cultures. Save the whey for smoothies or baking, and chill the strained kefir to let it set and mellow. Small tweaks in time and technique will help you dial in the thick kefir you prefer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.